Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique here on Anique Budgets. Okay, and as you guys know, it is Friday. Matter of fact, it is Black Friday, and we are doing a budget baby along with a cash envelope stuffing because we don't got a lot of money to work with, so why split them up? But wait, I do got a video for y'all tomorrow, so look out on the channel because we will be dropping another video. Okay, consistency, we're leaving y'all out of nothing, right? If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. My name is Anique. On here we do cash stuffing, budgeting, paying off debt, and minding our business. Not necessarily in that order, but baby, that's what we do. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you want to leave your comments down below, drop your 1 and 2 cents in the comment box below, because I'd love to hear your opinion or your guidance on what you did with your budget make you get where you at, right? And then hit a thumbs up because we like to like the video. Okay, so if you are interested in this video and how I am managing my money, then let's get into it. Okay y'all, so in today's video we are going to be doing my 24 November budget, you know, the one that you guys are seeing now. So we're gonna be doing November 24 budget. Basically these are carry over, put it where it needs to go, and like I said, do some cash stuffing. So baby, okay, let's do it into a little bit fast because there's not a lot to deal with, just, you know, getting there together. So my carryover from last time, what I'm budgeting is $138.79. There's nothing else to carry over, y'all, so yep, our total is going to be $138.79. I have paid all my bills, child, baby. I made sure, because your girl was being lazy. Like, she wasn't paying her bills, and who not gonna do that? No ma'am. Crispy clean credit score saying I paid my stuff. I didn't do that. So all my bills are paid and nothing is going in expenses because we did what we needed to do. And then for my cash envelopes, I do have 1 or 2 that's like about to be done, but baby, figure it out, because they is supposed to be able to maintain me, which is my groceries, y'all. It's really my groceries. My gas envelope is good. My groceries is the other one, which would be a problem. But baby, I got food at the house that I already bought the last time I was here, because I am at my mama's house, y'all. So the last time I was here at my mama's house, I spent a whole bunch of grocery money, and I still have those groceries. So guess what we gonna do for next week, which is gonna hold us until these 3 days is over. So is it 3 or is it 4? For these 4 days until November is over. Okay, because no ma'am, because Friday is December 1st and we doing 25 days of Christmas. We doing 25 days of, y'all, woo, 25 days of Christmas, y'all. I'm excited. I've never done this before, and if you have not, well, come on and join, baby. Okay, because 25 days of Christmas is about to be lit. I have written this out like 2-3 months ago, y'all. Nothing is going in cash envelopes. I wrote this out 2-3 months ago, and I'm bringing you guys so much good stuff, I want to say, and I just wanted, you know, like, I was excited to share this with y'all and all the things that I came up with. So I hope y'all are as excited as I am for 25 days of Christmas, which starts next Friday, December 1st, 2023. So if you have not had it on your calendar, please put it on your calendar, because baby, that's how we start on day 1 next Friday. Oh my god, I'm excited. Okay, all right. So nothing went into expenses and nothing went to cash envelopes, because baby kept the money. Don't be spending it on these little snacks you be buying outside. I be buying snacks outside. Okay, so, you know, eat the food at home because you bought the food at home. So do what you're supposed to do. That's how it does sound. That's how it be sounding in the back of your head when you know you're not supposed to be spending the money out of your cash envelopes that you be spending. I'm just saying, because I've been there, girl. I've been there, sir. Like, I know the tea. So anyways, to my saving challenges, I am putting $40. I feel like putting some of the money towards it. Okay, come on. Saving challenge, not get no money, psh, please. Y'all knew better than that. So I got a little bit of money and I have a little bit extra. So 40 of that is going to go towards my saving challenge. And yes, baby, we love to say it. Okay. So $40 is there. Again, nothing is going in sinking funds because baby, no. But let me tell y'all. So y'all know driving to anywhere. I told y'all, I think in my last video with travel, that driving anywhere is travel, and you gotta spend money because you gotta buy the gas to get there, the gas while you're there, and the gas when you're leaving, plus the eating in between those. You see the eating right here? From when you drive to when you got to the place, you gotta eat, okay? And then when you get to the place, you gotta eat, and then when you leave in the place, you gotta eat. So these little pockets too, all travel, okay? But y'all, my travel envelope has been busting and coming through for your girl. So you know what? I ain't too bad at this budgeting thing, you know. Some areas like groceries, I might be taking L's, but my dubs, come on now. Travel is out here doing it for me. Household is out here doing it for me. Toiletries out here doing it for me. Come on, please. Get into it. So nothing in expenses, cash envelopes, or sinking funds, but a little bit in saving challenges. And then last but not least is my Navy Fed credit card because baby, okay? Navy Fed CC. We are going to put the difference of the 138.79 minus the $40 equal $98.79. We're going to be putting that on the credit card. $98.79. Yep. And so that is a total of that $98.79, and then nothing in this unexpected situation. So my income source was $138.79. I had no expenses for this paycheck or this residual balance that I do have. No cash envelopes. My additional savings was $40. No sinking funds. My additional debt was $98.79, and then I had nothing here, and so that left me with zero. And y'all, that is how your girl got to a zero-based budget, because I don't be zero-based budgeting because I'd be having carryover, but baby, look at me now. So anyways, y'all, we have now used all of our money for the month. So what I'm basically going to do is I am going to set up for my cash stuffing for my saving challenges, which is the $40, and then we're going to come back and get the tea and close the deal. Okay, let's do this. Okay, y'all, so look, the baby tray is back, y'all. I left it here at the mama house, but she coming home with me. Okay, she coming home with me because she going to Canada as well when I go to Canada, because baby, just because we out of country don't mean we stopping. All right, so the baby tray is back, and y'all, I'm on the white surface because I am at my mama's house. And so this is our $40. So I have 20, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, and $40. So the 20 there, 10 here, 5 here, 1's here. Boom, bada, bang. Okay, this is my 100 envelope challenge binder. And I do have, I think I have 1 through 12 completed, if I'm not mistaken. I think I have one. Let me check real quick. So 11, I'd put money in 11 last time, but I didn't mark it on my other book. Oh my gosh. Really? So I gotta use a yellow highlighter. That's fine. But I'm just gonna highlight this in so that I know for next time. Okay. So 11 is marked in now. Number 11 is marked in now. And I have to basically figure out which other ones I can. I do have $41. I do have $40, sorry. So I can do, let's see. I can do 13. I can do 14 and 26. They are beside each other. 14 and 26. Or I can do 13 and 20. What's it? 13 and, have I already done 40? I've already done 40. I can't really do any of the bigger numbers up here. So I can do 13 and 27. 13 and 27 is $40. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do number 13 and number 27. So it kind of keeps me like still in the, you know, in a little mix or whatever. But everything's all done. So this is 13. 1, 2, 3, and then the 10, so 10, 11, 12, $13. And you guys again know your girl likes to be surprised. So let's do that. Let's do this. Okay, it's all good. So, and let's put 13 in here. So I like to try and put like extra money in some of my envelopes if I can. If I can't, then you know, it is what it is. But your girl is, I do love that. But for today, I'm gonna put the actual numbers in these cash envelopes, because some of them like 11 got like a whole $20 bill. Like, girl, you ain't $20, but you know, it's cute. So, and then we have 27. So 20, 25, 26, and 27. You know, and again, we like to be surprised when we open our money, so that is why we fold my smaller ones on the outside and then my bigger ones on the inside. So 27, so 13 and 27, and that will basically take care of that extra money. And y'all, for some, I didn't think it was going to start getting this big. Like, I haven't even started the big back numbers yet, y'all. Like, look at these. Like, I did number 80, I think was the biggest one I did. Yeah, I did 80. And look, like, all these are still empty. Like, maybe the new year, like, I'll, you know, be like, pow, and like go through and put some money in there. But yeah, child, girl, it's crazy, but that's fine. So that's it for my cash stuffing, and now I'm going to do the highlight portion on here. And I did number 13, so I'm going to use the yellow, which is what I used to do the 11 because I didn't do it last time. So I'm gonna do 13, and I'm gonna do 27. So y'all see, I have a whole I have so much left, but it's okay. It's okay, y'all. We're making progress on the ones that are completed, which is what I want. I already knew that my 100 envelope challenge wasn't going to be completed this year, and I'm a-okay with that. Thank you. And yeah, I'm just gonna do my best to get it. We're still gonna be doing it next year because I do have a saving challenge, 2024 saving challenge video 2 in Vlogmas for December. Bruh, when I tell you, super excited for all the things, super excited. So anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you're excited as me for Vlogmas because I am super excited. What else? If you did enjoy this video, again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications, y'all. Turn your notifications to see when I post every single time, because Bubby be posting. Right now, I post every Wednesday. I post every Wednesday, every Friday, and every Saturday. But of course, it's going to be changing to 7 days a week. Okay, and I think the time that I'm going to be posting is at 6:13. Which, y'all, oh, that was a tea, y'all. I've been getting so many angel numbers for the last like month and a half, and you know, when God be trying to talk to you but you don't want to listen, that's where I'm at right now. So God be talking to me, because let me tell you what he gave me. Let me find a definition for him first. Okay, this is a little rant at the end of the video, but so one of the first numbers I saw, and you guys saw too if you watch my cash stuffing, was 444. And so I was like, yo, Lord, what does that mean? Right? So angel number 444 conveys a powerful message of love, support, and guidance from your angels. Baby, when I was going through that one, I was like, bruh, God, I see you, I hear you, you doing your thing, and I love you. And it was rough, baby. So I needed, when I say needed, I needed to see a sign from God. I was like, oh, that's cute. I got 444. Let me look what that means. And so that was the first time I saw that, right? And then I saw the number 777. And I said, come on now. And so that number is linked to self-discovery and personal growth. And I said, wait a minute now, Lord. You mean I gotta be a grown-up? You mean I gotta be an adult? Me in this situation? I gotta be the one to, oh, petty Betty me? Y'all might not know, but your girl is petty in real life. Like, you know, not the extreme, but she petty. Okay, come on. I'm a little bit petty. And I was like, me, I gotta grow up. I gotta be the, oh, come on. But I was like, okay, Jesus. All right. And so then I was minding my business, and for whatever reason, if you guys haven't noticed, I started posting my videos at 6:13. And I was like, what is the significance of this number? Because I was like, I don't know what this means, you know? And I've never really been the one to like look up what numbers and all those means. But I was like, let me just look up what 613 like means. And so 613 gonna tell me, what is that one? 613 now is gonna say your angels are assisting you to view current situations and circumstances from a higher perspective. And I said, the Lord is working in mysterious ways, but he upfront about it too. Cause baby Jesus, Father Lord, and Holy Spirit, come on, y'all. And so, you know, he tested my heart. He tested my heart. He tested my heart. Cause I got love. And I got undercover love, but I got love. But I'm one of those people, ooh, you cross me, I'm a cutter. I cut it off real quick, because I'm good. I'm not good being alone. But I've learned how to be alone and to be an introvert. So it's not too hard for me to go back. You get what I'm saying? But God is just like, girl, we can't stay here. And I'm like, you're not wrong. You're not wrong. So yeah, girl, guys, all that to say that my videos will be posted at 6:13 because I love the number. I don't know what was about, but I was also thinking Rey Mysterio, the 6:13 of wrestling, and that's not what that was. And so I looked it up, and then the angel one came up, and I was like, yeah, God, you trying to tell me to grow up. I'm hearing you, Lord. I'm just registering the part to listen. And so right now I'm in my registering of listening to the Lord phase. And so yeah, you know, just keep me in your prayers. But I am growing up. I am seeing things from different perspective, and I am showing love. And I just, you know, I'm also hurt, and loving through hurt. Ooh, child, ain't nobody told me it was gonna be this hard. I never had to deal with this emotion, so I'm trying to build up my emotional intelligence too at the same time. So yeah, but that's it, y'all. All that to say, Vlogmas is coming next month, in a week from now, and I am posting every day at 6:13 p.m. If I'm a little late, please don't judge me, okay? Please don't hurt me. But the goal is not to be late. The goal is to be 6:13. I have all the videos planned out. I'm doing the videos, and so I'm just excited. And so yeah. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for watching. If you again enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Share this video with a family, friend, or a foe, because you know even your enemies need blessing. Oh my God, I haven't said it in a while. And like the video, leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box. If you made it to all the way to the end of this video right here, then put a little halo emoji. The halo emoji, the little guy with a halo, smiling with a halo. But yeah, thank you guys so much, and I will see y'all in the next one, which is tomorrow, which is 6 days from the first day of December vlogmas. But anyways, okay, all right, thank you guys, bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.